want a pair of Yeezys. So this is gonna be my first pair. I don't know how they feel. I don't know, like, I don't know. So I'm gonna be picking up my first pair of Yeezys. Alright, so I'm heading into Foot Locker where I won the pair, and we're gonna walk out with Yeezys. I don't know what to expect out of the shoes. There's a lot of them, so we'll see. Review on the way. Yeah, so I picked up the adidas Yeezy Boost 350. This is the 350 V2 Kanye West Yeezy Boost. I don't know what to say. So this is obviously my first Yeezy. Not saying that I was totally against copying this sneaker at all. I've always noticed this sneaker from afar. I'm not gonna say I love it. I'm not gonna say I like it. I don't know how to feel. Like, this is just crazy. So a lot of you guys probably know, like, about a year ago I had tried on Boost for the first time, and my first experience was with the Ultra Boost. It was the Core Black that I actually purchased and been bashing them around for quite some time. The Yeezy, on the other hand, is a totally different animal. Like, I started holding it in hand and checking them out in store, and I don't know how I felt. It was kind of weird. It was just like, you've been a Jordan fan for so long, and then you have like this entertainer type release type shoe, and I just felt hype beasty, you know? Like, I don't know what that feeling's about. It's just crazy. Like, I'll get limited Jordans and everything like that, and, you know, some of the like older OG stuff, but like, this is just like a different animal. So this is obviously the new release that dropped June 30, 2018. for 220 bucks. I think a lot of people actually cooked on the release here, and you know, they were able to get like their first Yeezy. You know, same with me. Again, I'm curious about them just as I was when I first tried Boost for the first time, and ooh, you know, holding them in hand, it's just pretty crazy. You know, many different colorways have dropped already for the Yeezy, and you know, I'm pretty sure these have been out for a couple years now, and this is actually my first time I'm gonna be trying them on, keeping them, who knows. But you know, just to tell my audience here, I don't know what to expect. I'm not afraid, I just don't know how to feel about them, to be honest with you. You know, as a Jordan fan, 20 plus years in the game, and you know, having to go to a brand that I don't know about yet. I mean, don't get me wrong, Boost is comfortable as hell, but as far as like the Yeezy and being a signature shoe, this is a totally different animal. So yeah, here we go. Gonna throw them on for the first time and see how the fit is. I've heard people say that they actually go a half size up, because even though the shoe looks wide, I think, you know, people have said that they've always gone a half size up in Yeezys. Some people have stayed true to size. Since I'm on the wide end, I probably would say I'm a half size, I don't know, but these are a size 10. Wow, these are still pretty weird to me, man. Oh. What do you guys think? This is the butter colorway. So it's got like, it's like a subtle yellow. I want to say like a canary yellow, but I don't want to even say like the semi-frozen yellow. These definitely look like crazy on feet. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're comfortable, but this is like a colorway that I don't know I can rock. Like, I don't know, dudes. Hey boy, what do you think? What do you think about the shoes? Alright, so let's just get into like a little review real quick. So it's a prime knit upper, and it's got like that butter yellow colorway. The laces and the back tab right here, or the pull tab, are the same color. The bottom is a gum sole, and the backside, that stripe right there on the backside, is off center, so it's not going to be truly in the center, it's off center. You have the Adidas branding on the backside where your Achilles hits. The tongue doesn't move, obviously. It's a whole one-piece upper. The back of it has like these pads right here. I want to say it's there for chafing so that the material doesn't... Hello? What's up?
What you doing?
I'm doing a review.
Did you want to...
Oh, okay. We'll come home and then I'll see you here.
Okay, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'll eat. Wifey called, and sorry, but I always like mess up the videos whenever I get like... Again, you got that padding right underneath, and I think it's also for support of the laces so that when you throw them in here, it doesn't rip out of the actual prime knit. Again, like, these feel a little bit snug up here at the forefoot. I probably could have gone just a half size up on these, so from a 10, my true size 10, to a 10.5. But I mean, a little bit snug's okay, but if I want like ultimate comfort, I think I would probably go a half size up. And then what's missing on the shoe, and I think with other colorways as well, with the creams especially, it's missing the Supply 350 on the sides. So I've heard like differences between, you know, people on that, and they actually like it because it looks better aesthetically. But you know, with the 350 Supply on there, I think it also shows you that this is an actual like true Yeezy. But you know, this colorway, it's fine. Any minimalistic like branding on it, I think it's good. Like I'm not gonna complain. So here at the bottom here we have the gum sole, obviously, and you got that, you know, big cushiony boost right at the bottom and all throughout the midsole. The midsole is encapsulated with this outsole here, so it actually wraps around. If I'm gonna take out the insole here, you can see just like the regular Ultra Boosts, they have the insole in here, which I actually appreciate because usually with like the NMDs that I've tried, it has just no insole in it, and you can feel the cutouts in there, and I don't like that at all. So I do appreciate that there is an insole to it. Other than that, you know, let me know what your thoughts about this are. If you guys would, you know, change anything about the color or the design, or, you know, add something, maybe like an extra set of laces. Would you change like the back tab here? Do you like that off-center striping at the back here? Let me know. I know with other models, especially like the first drop of the Yeezys, the version 1s, the paint started flaking off on here. So I'm assuming they fixed that, but I'm not too sure. I'm not an expert in Yeezys, but I can just tell you like what I've noticed over the years, because, you know, Yeezys have been a part of the culture for some years now. So anyways, that's my review of the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the butter colorway. Again, it's a crazy shoe. I still need to get used to this. Again, it's MJO23Dan. Subscribe to me on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, check out my website, mjo23dan.com. Hope you guys visited, give me some love, and subscribe to me here on YouTube as well. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Oh, and I forgot. So, since this sneaker was pretty easy to obtain, I ended up getting me a double.